Your body is already changing. You just can't see it yet. And that's the exact reason most guys quit, right before it shows. Today I'll walk you through all 12 weeks. Stick around because week 8 changes everything. Here's the trap. You start training. 2 weeks in, the mirror looks the same, so your brain decides it isn't working and you stop. But the research is clear. Your body rebuilds from the inside out. I've coached hundreds of beginners through this, so let me show you the 5 silent stages everybody moves through. And where you're most likely to give up, I call it the silent build. 5 stages. Each one happens inside before it ever hits the mirror. Stage 1, your brain rewires. Stage 2, your engine upgrades. Stage 3, your muscles start their repair. Stage 4, your hormones flip a switch. And stage 5, the payoff most guys never see because they quit somewhere around week 6. Understand these 5, and you'll never mistake silence for failure again. Let's start at stage 1. Stage 1, week 1. Most guys walk in expecting sore muscles and instant gains. When nothing shows, they think their genetics are broken. Here's what's really happening. In that first week, your muscles barely change at all. Your nervous system does. Your brain is learning to fire more muscle fibers at once, like a light switch that finally connects to every bulb in the room. That's why you get stronger fast in week 1, without looking any different. The lift feels easier. The weight goes up, and you swear nothing's happening. Wrong. Your body just built the wiring it needs for everything that comes next. The fix here is simple. Don't judge week 1 by the mirror. Judge it by the bar. And this next stage is where your stamina explodes. Stage 2, weeks 2 through 4. Now your engine gets rebuilt. Every time you train, your body grows more mitochondria, tiny power plants inside your cells that turn food into energy. More of them means more fuel on tap. So the same workout that wrecked you in week 1 now feels manageable. Your heart gets more efficient. Your breathing calms down. You recover between sets faster. But here's the trap. Most guys feel this new stamina and think they've plateaued because the scale and the mirror still haven't moved. They add more cardio, panic, or switch programs. Don't. This is proof it's working. The fix, keep showing up and add a little weight each week. The payoff is a body that's quietly becoming a machine. And stage 3 is where the real building finally starts. Stage 3, weeks 4 through 6. This is when muscle repair kicks into gear. Every hard set creates tiny tears in your muscle fibers. Sounds bad. It's not. Your body rushes in to patch those tears and builds the fiber back thicker than before, like reinforcing a rope that keeps getting stretched. This process is called protein synthesis, and right now it's running overtime. But most guys sabotage it. They don't eat enough protein, they skip sleep, and they train the same muscle every single day. That starves the repair crew before it can finish. The fix, eat protein at every meal, sleep 7+ hours, and give each muscle 2 days off. Do that, and the density starts building under the surface. You'll feel harder before you look bigger. And stage 4 is where your hormones take over. Stage 4, weeks 6 through 8. This is the danger zone, the exact spot where most guys quit. And it's insane, because this is when your hormones finally shift in your favor. Consistent training tells your body to release more testosterone and growth hormone, the 2 chemicals that build muscle and burn fat. Your insulin sensitivity improves too, which means your body starts storing less fat and using more for fuel. But you can't see any of this, so week 7 feels pointless and thousands of guys walk away days before the reward. Don't be one of them. The fix is boring, but brutal. Just don't stop. Keep the same routine. The payoff is a body that's now chemically primed to transform. And stage 5 is the one you've been waiting for. Stage 5 is the one you've been waiting for. Weeks 8 through 12. The mirror finally catches up. Everything you built in silence, the wiring, the engine, the repaired fibers, the hormones, now shows on the outside. Your shirt fits different. Your jaw looks sharper. Someone asks if you've been working out. This is the moment guys post about, calling it overnight. It wasn't overnight, it was 8 quiet weeks of construction finally breaking the surface. Here's the truth most people miss. Visible change is always the last thing to arrive, not the first. The fix is nothing new. You just have to survive long enough to reach week 8. Do that, and week 12 rewards you with the body that looks like the work you put in. But there's one more thing that decides if any of this sticks. So that's the silent build. 5 stages, 12 weeks. Simple. But wait, one more thing, and it matters more than all 5. Consistency beats intensity. A guy who trains 3 days a week for 12 straight weeks crushes the guy who goes beast mode for 2 weeks and burns out. The magic isn't in any single workout. It's in the ones you keep doing when nothing seems to be happening. That patience is the real secret weapon. Let's lock it in. Screenshot this part. It's your 12-week map. Week 1, your nervous system wires up. You get stronger, not bigger. Weeks 2 to 4, your engine upgrades. Stamina climbs, mirror stalls. Weeks 4 to 6, muscle repair runs hot. Feed it protein and sleep. Weeks 6 to 8, hormones flip. This is where most guys quit. Don't. Weeks 8 to 12, the mirror finally catches up. And the golden rule under all of it, consistency beats intensity, every time. If you only remember one line, remember this: your body changes inside first. So stop trusting the mirror too early. Now the mistakes that reset your clock to 0, 4 of them. Number 1, program hopping. Every time you switch routines, you restart the wiring from stage 1. Pick one plan and ride it 12 weeks. Number 2, chasing soreness. Sore doesn't mean growth, it just means new. You can build without being wrecked. Number 3, under-eating protein. Without the raw material, the repair crew has nothing to build with. Aim for a gram per pound of body weight. Number 4, the weekend undo. 5 clean days wiped out by 2 days of garbage food and 0 sleep. That flatlines your hormones right when they're climbing. Fix these 4 and the 12-week timeline actually works for you. But there's a way to make it work even faster. Once you clear week 12 and the basics feel automatic, here's your next level. Start tracking progressive overload on paper. Add reps or weight every week, no exceptions. Then tighten your nutrition around your training. More carbs on hard days, less on rest days, and add 1 weak point session for whatever lags, usually arms or upper chest for most guys. This is how you turn a 12-week beginner run into a body that keeps improving for years. Here's what I want you to do. Drop your current week in the comments, type week 3 or whatever number you're on. I'll know where you are on the map. And if you're stuck near week 7, watch my next one on the fastest way to break a plateau.